It's cracking a lack and it's Mark from Mark Your Ceremony. Today is all about fashion, you guessed it. Kidding. It's about emergencies, yes. So when you have a wedding, pack an emergency kit. This is both for grooms, brides, whoever. So I'll tell you a fun fact is most people that pack their emergency kits, they only use half the things in there. So tip number 1 is pack safety pins, stain removals. Also tip number 2 is always put energy boosters food to get you through the day. Number 3, things like little miniature sewing kits in case there's little things that go wrong with your dress, with your suit. And tip number 4, delegate someone, very important and special, most importantly, reliable, to handle the safety emergency kit. Remember, love big, stress small.